In this video, I'll show you how to make copies using the Epson WF-2930 printer. First of all, before you start, you need to make sure that you have some paper inserted in the paper tray. Now take the page that you want to copy, and we're going to lift up the printer's lid like this so you can see the scanner glass, and we're going to put the item face down on the glass like this. Once you've done that, align it with this arrow in the bottom right, so simply push it across. It's now aligned with the scanner. Go ahead and close the lid. Now if you come to the printer's control panel, you'll see that the copy button is the first option on the system, so it's 1 out of 12. Press OK, and then you can choose between color or black and white by using the right and left arrow key. So select your option and press OK, and then now you need to choose how many copies you want. So using the up arrow, you can manually press it to increase the number, or if it's a large amount of copies, you can hold this button in and it will rapidly jump up. So I'm just going to select 2 copies. Now to start, all you need to do is press this button here. So first of all, we'll pull out the paper tray so that the paper doesn't fall on the floor. And now simply press this button once. You'll hear the printer, and then you also get confirmation on the printer's screen that it is copying whatever amount of pages that you chose. Just give it a few seconds. Here is our first copy, and now all you need to do is wait for the remainder. And now here comes my second and final copy. So here I have my original in the scanner lid, and I also have the 2 copies that I just made. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.